How to get iPhone app widget to open specific Notion page. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, search for the Notion app and tap on it. Swipe to view and choose the widget layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. Now, tap and hold the widget to set it up. Here, tap on Choose Beside Page. And then, select a page from here. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have successfully added the Notion widget to the home screen. Now, tap and open the Notion widget to view it. Following these steps, you can easily get iPhone app widget to open specific Notion page.